Hi, I'm Adam Gilroy-Smith, CEO of Empower Healthcare. I've got an important message for you today that I think you're going to find really valuable. I'm sure you've heard about the IDDSI framework recommendations for food preparation for dysphagia. These are really important changes that are being rolled out right across the industry currently. So we're offering you a free workshop at your facility, which will give you the tools and information you need to be IDDSI ready and equip you for the future. I'm here with Shirley Webber, a senior dietitian at Empower, to discuss the free workshops. Hi Shirley.
Hi Adam.
So what is IDDSI?
IDDSI stands for the International Dysphagia Diet Standardisation Initiative. It is a global standard that provides terminology and description around food textures and drink thicknesses used by people with dysphagia.
How is it different to the current practice?
So the old standards really didn't provide us that clear terminology and definition around food textures and drink thicknesses. The new IDDSI standards really give us in-depth descriptions and terminology that we can use to measure the texture and thickness of foods and drinks. So it's really a lot more comprehensive.
I know that you've been delivering these workshops to our current clients. Could you tell us what these workshops entail?
Yeah, sure. So during the workshop, I will run through what IDDSI is and also why it was developed. I'll run through all the different food textures and drink thicknesses, explaining each one of those, and then demonstrate to staff how they can themselves look at a food texture and a drink thickness and determine what level of IDDSI that falls under. I'll also provide staff with a tool that they can use and carry around with them wherever they are, and use that to help them assess a food texture or a drink thickness.
So who should attend the workshops?
This really is for everyone. So senior management, health professionals, food service and care staff. Everyone who works in residential care services should be aware of IDDSI, particularly those staff who work in food service preparing the foods and drinks that people with dysphagia consume, and then the care staff who assist our residents in consuming those foods. Everyone should be across IDDSI.
How much time will the workshop take up?
It's a 1.5 hour interactive workshop.
Fantastic. I understand that these recommendations aren't compulsory yet, but why should providers make the changes now?
Well, IDDSI was developed with safety in mind, so really providing clear standards around naming and describing foods so that we can have a clear understanding of the textures and thicknesses that people with dysphagia need to prevent choking within our residential care services.
So how do we sign up?
I would love the opportunity to present to your team, so please register your interest and we'll get in touch to set up a time to present this very important IDDSI training to your team.